morning. Welcome, this is Dev Jimmy here, and I'm going to our first reaction video ever on this channel. I have never done this before, but we're going to react to an MLP video. First, this is the tryout. It's going to be a song. We'll see how it works. And 3, 2, we started from the beginning. This is technically announcing to play their from that starts from animation hoes about. I'm thought about getting this movie, but I don't know how to get better. But anybody knows something I might get this movie. I might finally build up the courage to buy this movie. No, it's really entertaining.
Why are you doing this? You're a pony.
My Little Pony would be with that, so decent. Watch the graphics.
More than you'll ever be. It's time you learned a lesson. It's time that you understand.
This
Don't
song
ever
better
count on
have but I don't laugh at
in
the
this
end
or
of
any
this
other
song.
land. I once hoped for friendship, to find a place among my kind. But those were the childish wishes of someone who was blind. Open up your eyes, see the world from where I stand. Be among the mighty, you caged at my command. Open up your eyes, give up your sweet fantasy land. It's time to grow up and get wise. Come now, little one, open up your eyes.
Come on now. She's about to say
We all
eggs.
start out the same, with simple
Maybe a little
naive
bigger than her, but
trust.
maybe she's a
Shielded
little.
from the many ways that life's not fair or just. But then there comes a moment, a simple truth that you must face. If you depend on others, you'll never find your place.
Very good. Not very. Her backstory. She broke a horn, then she broke a horn. Nobody, well, in her opinion, nobody minded. I think it's more the fact that she didn't have enough confidence. If she had not lost her confidence from breaking her horn, she might have had a better outcome, but because she lost her confidence because her horn was
As
broke,
you take that
I think
first
your
step
perspective of
on a
what's going
path
on
that's
now.
all your own, you see it all
And
so
plus, she's a little bit of
clearly.
Twilight. I mean,
The
Starlight.
best
Yeah.
way
I
to
am
survive is all alone. Open up your eyes, see the world from where I stand. Be among the mighty, caged at my command. Open up your eyes and behold the faded light. It's time to grow up and get wise. Come now, little one, open up your eyes. Open up your eyes.
After a song like this, there's always supposed to be a maniacal laugh. They fail, you get a fail. Epic fail.
I'm so sorry you felt so alone.
I saw the truth. My friends abandoned me when times got tough.
Well, we got that. You just frighten them off with your magic. That's technically what happened. But it's I mean, fried their ball. They did that on purpose, I guess. I don't know. But whenever it was, I think it was misinterpretation on your part. And I'm just saying, 3 years ago, now that time flies. Now time just fly. But what do you think about it? Everybody likes this one. My first reaction, man, this ain't much, but and like the song, it's not Scar-ish, it's Scar. They're definitely going for the Disney Scar-ish style type of song, but it's kind of weak, but it's still good. It's kind of the best song in the movie. She should have been the main, but she pretty much was the main villain in this movie. You barely saw Storm King. She was a bigger threat than the Storm King. Storm King only showed up by satellite, like it's WWE. Visiting us from satellite. WWE. Like, you ain't gonna make an actual appearance. Oh wait, you can wait till after it's done to come make an appearance and then pretend that you done something. Oh, okay, that's what you gonna do. But is not a review of the movie, but alright, that was good. This is my first attempt at being a reaction video. I've never done one before. It's the first one. Very first one. Okay. We might do others. I've seen this about a down time, so this is not my first time watching it. But the point of reaction is you react to it when you first watch it, and with your first reaction is the best one. But it's not my first, but it has been a long time since I listened to this song. So it still holds up water. Anyway. Till next time. What do you want me to watch? You know what? We're gonna do one more video. You know we're gonna do one more because I just saw something. And
You birds have a choice to make. You
But
can
if he
let
doesn't
some
songs,
Cloven
yeah,
Hoof
but he's
Storm
not
King
dumb.
tell you how to live your lives.
Remember
Or
that we did too much.
you can be awesome again. Rainbow Dash, this really isn't a good time for us. I know the world can't get you down. Sorry.
Yeah.
Things don't work
thank
out
you.
quite
We
the
all
way
think the
that you
same thing, but like,
thought.
it's not a good time.
Feeling like
for
all
some.
your best days are done. Your fears and doubts are all
I
you
guess they got
got.
so
But there's a
easy.
light shining deep inside beneath those fears and doubts. So just squash them and let it shine for all the world to see that it is time, yeah, time to be awesome. Awesome, it's time to be so awesome. Awesome, it's time to be so
Serious, but
awesome.
like,
You've no
Ah,
idea
serious,
how
but
hard
like,
it's been.
they are supposed to be.
This
I
routine we've been forced to do.
I need a
Don't let
cover
them rob
and a
you
sing.
of who
And
you
you
are.
just have your
Be
broadcast.
awesome, it's all up to
Your
you.
I
broadcast.
feel the light stirring deep inside. It's like a tale still yet to be told. And now it's time to break the shackles free and start living like a brave and bold.
Remember guys, we're supposed to be fighting. You're not supposed to be singing. That's not helping.
He'll have all routines we would love to devise.
We should also just put you in the boat, like, and
Saving
sit
those
down
jobs
there.
on for a
Enemy.
rainy
So that
day.
way, you put your actions
So
get
take
there.
the storm in order to toss 'em. Hey, scallywags, it's time to be awesome.
It's more of a doing dumb stuff. Dumb.
Come
I
on,
guess they forget
let's
that.
show these little ponies how it's done.
I'm glad something to get done. People just tell me their own boss, even though they don't know how it is very well. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Oh, thank you. Thank you very much.
Oh,
Why am I being broadcast in the United States of every oh, look at that. He found the people we were looking for. Oh, they just lit up the star for us. Like, my goodness. All right, that was no deal. I just thought I'd do one more before I call it a day. Yeah, Rainbow Dash. Yeah, I'm used to everybody seeing you, seeing us said to themselves, yeah, that was dumb. Yeah, yeah, I forgot. She pulled a Conan. Yeah, she pulled a Detective Conan. One of those moments when he forgets that he's a kid, and he forgets that he's supposed to be undercover, and he always runs his mouth until he almost says something that blows his cover, except for Ramadan that actually blows the cover. It's one of the moments, but technically speaking, yeah, maybe nothing, okay, blow the cover, okay. They weren't supposed to talk, they got the first thing, they weren't supposed to talk to nobody, or I should say, talk to any suspicious people. That's what they do when they first talk to a suspicious person, and they get captured. Oh, yeah. Thankfully they went through, got discovered, hands down, because Rainbow Dash had to do a rainbow. Okay, it was bad enough they were singing, but then again, there ain't nobody gonna hear them singing. It was when she did the rainbow, that was the ball straw that broke the camel's back. Yeah, he might as well just throwing a flare in the air and said, here, come and get us. Like, are you insane? No wonder why Twilight was so flustered, frustrated with her friends. It's like, you are doing, y'all trying to sabotage this mission. Y'all do that crap on purpose. Yeah, the one time your act is actually helpful is the one time I decide not to trust your mind. But you got one time almost, one time your action actually had some positive outcome. If I would have waited, the one time I decided to cut you, stop letting y'all handle things. Okay, it's my bad. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I should have let you. I literally gave you 3 strikes. I should have gave you 3 strikes before I told you you're out after the 3rd one. But I just said 2 strikes was too many. I couldn't let you get 3 strikes and strike out. You just couldn't let that happen. I just couldn't. But anyway, that's my reaction video for today. And we might do more. Might do more. Till next time, Dave Gaming sign out.